saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. So we have already studied about saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. So what is saturated carbon compounds? कार्बन के पास 4 वैलेंसी होती है और चारों ही सिंगल बॉन्ड से दूसरे एटम से कनेक्टेड होते हैं. तो इसको एक एग्जांपल से समझते हैं. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मीथेन. The formula of methane is CH4. So one carbon is attached with 4 hydrogen and all hydrogen are connected by single bond with carbon. So this is a saturated carbon compound. So another example is ethane. Formula of ethane is C2H6. So in ethane, a carbon with 3 hydrogen is connected to another carbon with 3 hydrogen. So let's draw the structure of ethane. The first step is to link the carbon atoms together with a single bond. So here this is a single bond between carbon and carbon. In ethane formula total 6 hydrogen are there. अब 6 hydrogen को कैसे इस structure में set करें? So now we are using hydrogen atoms to satisfy the remaining valencies of carbon. तो कार्बन से अटैच करते हैं. तो एक कार्बन से ऑलरेडी एक कार्बन तो अटैच्ड है. तो एक कार्बन से हम 3 हाइड्रोजन और अटैच कर सकते हैं विद सिंगल बॉन्ड. तो दोनों कार्बन से 3-3 हाइड्रोजन अटैच हो गए. So each carbon is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms and it gives this structure of ethane. So likewise can we draw the structure of propane? Formula of propane is C3H8. So 3 carbons and 8 hydrogen. तो इसमें भी ethane की तरह सबसे पहले हम कार्बन्स को अटैच करते हैं एक दूसरे से. So carbon is attached with another carbon, then another carbon is attached with the third carbon. So this is a linear chain of carbon. Now we know that carbon has 4 valency. So first carbon की 3 valencies अभी unsaturated है. So we attach 3 hydrogen. Second carbon की 2 valency unsaturated है. So we attach 2 hydrogen. थर्ड कार्बन की भी फर्स्ट कार्बन की तरह 3 वैलेंसी अनसैचुरेटेड है. सो वी अटैच 3 हाइड्रोजन इन दिस कार्बन. सो लाइक दिस द प्रोपेन स्ट्रक्चर इज फॉर्म्ड. इफ वी काउंट ऑल द हाइड्रोजन्स then 8 hydrogens are there. Such carbon compounds are called saturated compounds. Because valencies of all the atoms are satisfied by single bonds between them, so they are less reactive. So now let's understand about unsaturated carbon compounds. So in unsaturated carbon compounds, carbon is attached with another carbon with double or triple bond. So let's go for the example of ethene. Formula of ethene is C2H4. So the first step is attach a carbon atom with another carbon atom with single bond. Now total 4 hydrogen are there. So attach 2 hydrogen with each carbon. But the carbon valency is still not saturated. The total carbon valency is 4, but here only 3 bonds are present. So that means carbon can form one additional bond. So that means one valency per carbon atom remains unsatisfied. And this can be satisfied only if there is a double bond between the 2 carbons. क्योंकि और तो हाइड्रोजन है ही नहीं, तो एक और हाइड्रोजन लाके हम कार्बन से अटैच ही नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज इन द ethene formula only 4 hydrogen are present. So ethene is unsaturated carbon compound. So the formula of ethyne is C2H2. So first step to draw its structure is carbon is attached with the another carbon with single bond. Now attach the hydrogen on both carbon. So 1 hydrogen are attached to each carbon. But carbon valency is 4 again. So what to do now? और हाइड्रोजन तो हम अटैच ही नहीं कर सकते because only 2 hydrogen must be there. So triple bond will be there between 2 carbons. So this will be the final structure. So triple bond are necessary between the 2 carbon atoms in order to satisfy their valencies. So we can conclude that such compounds of carbon having double or triple bonds between the carbon atoms are known as unsaturated carbon compounds, and they are more reactive than the saturated carbon compounds. तो इस तरह से हम सारे कंपाउंड्स की स्ट्रक्चर बहुत इजीली बना सकते हैं. पहले सिंगल बॉन्ड से कार्बन्स को अटैच कर दो, हाइड्रोजन ऐड कर दो और फिर कार्बन की वैलेंसीज देख के बॉन्ड्स लगा दो. वेरी सिंपल. जैसे हमने इथेन का देखा था, C2H6 इज द फॉर्मूला. सो दोनों कार्बन्स को सिंगल बॉन्ड से अटैच किया, उसके बाद 6 हाइड्रोजन है तो दोनों कार्बन्स पे 3 हाइड्रोजन अटैच कर दिए. अब हम चेक करेंगे क्या कार्बन की वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाई है. सो यस, इट इज सेटिस्फाइड. Each carbon's 4 valencies are satisfied. So the structure is completed. Likewise, propane की structure भी ऐसे ही बना देंगे. The formula of propane is C3H8. तो तीनों कार्बन्स को सिंगल बॉन्ड से अटैच किया, उसके बाद हाइड्रोजन लगा दिए. फर्स्ट कार्बन पे और लास्ट कार्बन पे 3 हाइड्रोजन अटैच होंगे और जो मिडिल कार्बन है उस पे 2 हाइड्रोजन अटैच होंगे बिकॉज मिडिल वाले कार्बन के 2 बॉन्ड्स ऑलरेडी पास वाले कार्बन से अटैच्ड है. तो इसकी 2 वैलेंसीज वेकेंट थी तो हमने 2 हाइड्रोजन इससे अटैच कर दिए. अब हम तीनों कार्बन्स की वैलेंसीज चेक करते हैं. आप बताओ क्या सेटिस्फाइड है? यस. So the structure is completed. Likewise, butane's formula is C4H10. So all the carbons are attached with single bonds. First and last carbons will be attached with 3 hydrogens and middle 2 carbons are attached with 2 hydrogens. Now check all the carbons valencies. Are they satisfied? Yes. So structure is completed. Likewise, pentane's formula is C5H12. So all the carbons are attached with single bonds. First and last carbon will be attached with 3 hydrogen and middle 3 carbons will be attached with 2 hydrogens. So all the valencies are satisfied. So structure is completed. In hexane structure, the formula is C6H14. So 6 carbons are attached with each other by single bond and first and last carbon will be attached with 3 hydrogens now, and the middle 4 carbons will be attached with 2 hydrogen. So the structure is completed.